sessions.
Yeah.
So in the 7 sessions, we have a Nissan which is confirmed, we have a Rengo which is confirmed, and we have
Who confirmed Rengo? Siddharth.
myself.
You
actually.
confirmed. Okay, sorry. I saw some emails, so I don't.
Yeah. So Rengo is again, it's a multinational, it's a very big company in Japan. It's $11 billion company, and I've got some handouts also.
Sure.
So Rengo is on the last day, and that's the last appointment on 9th. Nissan is on the 7th, and that's the only appointment for 7th because first half of that day we are going to Hakone, which is near Mount Fuji. We are going to go to the valley and do some sightseeing.
Sure.
So 7th is taken care of, 9th, second half is taken care of, and 8th, yesterday we heard from Teja, right, Krishna, that Panasonic has confirmed. Panasonic Tokyo.
I had a chat with Teja also. I'll talk about it.
Yeah. So what the help we are looking from the national leadership is to fill in the rest of the slots
No, we'll do
and
that.
have a interaction with the young entrepreneurs. And if possible, I wrote a mail. I don't know if you got a chance to read it. I mentioned something to do with the Farfetch thing. If something, we can meet anybody down the line also where the PM met. If
So,
we can carry
yeah,
on the
no,
dialogue,
absolutely.
so that would put Vaya in the spotlight.
I'll respond to all of us.
Yeah.
So Ankit, thank you. I think Bhavin,
Yeah.
guys, just as a quick thing, one,
Sure.
sort of very delighted that all of you are here. Hyderabad is my chapter. I started my YI career here, and so it's always nice to meet with members from the Hyderabad chapter. And I'm also delighted that Hyderabad chapter has taken the lead in this thing. Last year we consciously did take a call that you will allow chapters to mount a mission, provided they take leadership, but half the membership of that participation should come from the chapter. We did one last year, which didn't go as desired, but it's always learning.
Yeah.
So you sort of take it in the right spirit and move on. So this year I'm glad that you have a good number from Hyderabad,
Right.
and then you have others also coming in, which is the intent. You don't want it to be. You could do a chapter specific mission, but then given the kind of efforts that is put in,
Yes.
you want more people to benefit, and surely why not? It's not there is a sort of not that there is any sort of proprietary this thing. That's one thing I think to sort of do that, and I'm sort of delighted. I congratulate all of you for doing this, especially the leadership here. Right, it's great to do that. So when Bhavin requested if I could meet with all of you, or at least meet with some of you who are going, so I asked him what would be the intent or the purpose. We all meet in any case, but as a pre-orientation or a pre-departure sort of meeting. So I thought it was a very good idea, and also more importantly, I'm sort of delighted that Tej has given this reading material, which actually makes for interesting and informative conversations when you go and are in a similar room in Japan. You will be meeting with executives. You have to. The engagement level only increases if you are aware of things, right? That's very critical. So he said, why don't you talk about what YI's expectations from such a mission, right? So I'll step back for a minute and talk about what YI to me stands for in some sense, right? Which is that if you look at, we do a bunch of activities in YI, and I think the focus is always on doing initiatives. There's three things that you can easily sort of try and compartmentalize the activities into. The first is about youth leadership. Right? All of us, and this year there's this sort of increased focus on rebranding, orienting, and focusing our energy on what we are calling Vaya Yuva, right? Which is that you have it as Vaya Youth Affairs. Now we're going to call it Yuva, and I think truly we owe it to our youngsters. Hello.
Hi, this is Sandeep here.
Sandeep, hi. This is Bhavin. Is it? Can you hear everything okay? Just let me know if you can't.
Yeah, as of now I can just hear you.
Okay, good. Hi Sandeep, this is Guru here. We've just started the session and just talking about the.
Hi, Guru.
Hi. So when you think of youth leadership, that's a huge, and that should be a huge focus area for VIA, because truly this country is all about that segment of the population, which is in the next 6 years, where the median age of this country is going to be 29. You will have to invest in training the youngsters so that they become better citizens, better country, and I need not sort of elaborate on that. One key sort of advice or suggestion for all of you is there's a huge focus from the outside of this country about some of these interesting stats. And remember, when you're in Japan, And as I talk about these things, I'll also talk about possible scenarios that you will sort of come across. People are not going to just ask a question to Ankit, to Amish, to anyone, right? It's to anyone in random because you're conversing with people there. Remember, please get yourselves acquainted with hard data and facts. Some of it is here, but some of it is what you have in the dossier is more about India and Japan. But you also need to know more about India because while the only attraction for people is about this huge opportunity called India. They're just unable to comprehend how is it that we do business, 1.2 billion, etc., but things are going well. You have such disparities in this country. You have the sort of richest people in the world are here, but you also have sort of poverty levels which are so shameful. Yet things go on. You have the most quality conscious plants in this country. Yet we have spurious goods being manufactured in the same country. All of this. So people will want to have conversations, and you never know when a conversation begins, right? And I've said this earlier, and at the cost of repetition, I'm one of those who firmly believe in the fact that conversations lead to collaborations. And you guys are in business. You always do work in partnership or individually, whatever. But one of the outcomes of this is also that apart from learning, you also probably will end up looking at somebody who you can collaborate with. Right. So that's from his typical CI point of view, that's the intent, but this is not in that sense. Yeah. But you never know what's the outcome. So think of it from that point of view. Invest yourselves in understanding some of our data and facts about this country so that you are better informed. The second thing of what we do in VIA is all about learning and contributing. This is that you do a lot of learning activities, this mission being one, so that you are better aware and then you give back to the country in a more responsible manner. To that extent, I think talk about VIA. People will constantly ask you about VIA. What is it that VIA does? How is it different from an EO? How is it different from a YPO, a roundtable, a Rotary, a JCs? You have lots of questions. Remember one thing, it's never right for us to put down another organization when we talk about our own organization. And also, some of us are also members of a couple of organizations. It's not just that we are only members of VIA. But don't ever sort of talk about another organization in a condescending manner. Right? You just have to focus on the highlight on the VIA strengths, and that's and there are several strengths to VIA. I don't need to sort of elaborate on it right now, but talk about that. Yeah. The third thing, which is where this initiative actually falls under squarely, is the VIA's international engagements. We are, as you know, the sort of India's official representative on the G20 YA. We are the founder member of CAI. We do a lot of bilateral missions. We also do a lot of inbound missions who come to India. We talk to them. We are the face of sort of young Indians. Like, a lot of times ministers come. Like recently the Canadian Minister for Immigration and Citizen Services was in Delhi. He wanted to get a sense of a feeling of young Indians. He said, I'm meeting ministers, I'm meeting bureaucrats, I'm meeting industry leaders, but I want to understand what are the aspirations of the youth of this country. So VIA was called and said, can you put together a small group of people, diverse, who can give a sense to the minister of what the youth represent, what are their aspirations, what are their ambitions. So we did that, and we do that very often. We do that all the time. Most of it centers around Delhi, Bombay sometimes because of the location, but we have also done it in other cities as well. And what you are doing is an outbound mission, which is that you are going as ambassadors of India to Japan, talking about things. You are probably in a perfect timing. Sometimes timing is everything, right? Yeah. You couldn't have asked for a better time. Who would have imagined when you thought of it that you want to go to Japan, that Prime Minister Modi would in fact take his first bilateral visit, beyond the South Asian region, was to Japan. I mean, he did go to Brazil, but that is not a bilateral visit. That is a meeting to the BRICS summit, right? So, and therefore, it's also important for you to know some of these differences. Bilateral visit is where it's just one country to one. Going to another country, like he's going to go to Australia in November, but it's not a bilateral visit. He's going to go there for the G20 summit. Incidentally, on the sidelines, he will call on the Australian Prime Minister and exchange notes, etc., etc. But Japan was purely a bilateral visit, right? And that, I think, is tremendous. There's such a positive sort of vibe. You've seen people cheering him up. I saw a photograph. I don't know if you've seen it. I'm sure some of you have done it. In the hotel that Prime Minister Modi was staying on the day of his departure, the entire staff had lined up on both the sides of the sort of exit way because they felt such an honor that they served the Prime Minister of India, which is not normally what they do. And if the Prime Minister of India was staying in this hotel, that's also the hotel where a lot of Prime Ministers and heads of state would stay. And it was reported as a very unusual event because that hasn't been done for many other dignitaries visiting. So I think you have a strong Prime Minister who's been able to create a positive intent. Right? You are riding on that wave. In fact, the embassy in Japan, we had a conversation this morning. They are doing a follow-up event because in the Prime Minister has created what is called a Japan Plus cell, which is specifically a cell to focus on investments between Japan and India in the aftermath of his visit. There's a follow-up event already happening with some visitors from the Government of India in Tokyo on the 25th of September.
35 billion was the
Large numbers. Everything is, in India that's one thing, right? Nothing is small. Everything is huge.
On
The
paper,
population
we-
is where it is the least in that sense. So everything else is huge. So you think of it from that point of view. There is a follow-up meeting that's already been initiated in less than 20 days after the Prime Minister's visit. Where sort of officials are going to Tokyo to follow up. Because I think the intent is, I'll sort of give an example of what the Chief Minister of Punjab said some time ago. He said MOUs are nice, but it has to be renamed as MOIs. So it's the memorandum of intent that is important, not understanding. Because I need to do something, not just understand what it is. So to that extent, I think you have a very positive sort of this thing. And Ankit, you did mention about some of the events still to be plugged in.
planned.
Yeah. So I'll tell you, and this is just my experience with CII. And
We have a backup plan actually, but we would like
Absolutely.
to.
No, I fully understand your this thing.
Yeah.
Most of the time in CII, including Australia, for example, Bhavin was there.
உங்களது அழைப்பு ஹோல்டில் வைக்கப்பட்டுள்ளது. தயவு செய்து காத்திருக்கவும். Your call has been put on hold.
I don't know how many days before the G20 summit, for instance, Bhavin knew of the finance minister's visit or the consul general's visit or the AIBC reception.
Just very few days, just few
Yeah,
days
so typically that's what happens in CII, YI sort of thing.
Okay.
It's just the nature of things. I can tell you as a national chair, I would have more comfort if I knew of things a little more in advance. But unfortunately I don't. It's just the way things develop. But you can be assured of the fact that all of you, that you will have a good sort of experience from a good meeting. What we have today started as a second, which was the backup plan, just as we had a backup plan, we were talking about a backup plan back in, was that we have written to a couple of our past president of CII this morning. One of them is, for example, Mr. Sunil Munjal, who has had a previous connection with Honda, and said that, and because they separated in a very amicable manner, it wasn't, separation was a very business sense separation, not a bitter one. So he said, why don't you get us the Honda visit, sort of thing, and more. So that's happening. You will get sort of things. It's not a problem at all. You still have 10 days to go. More than 10 days to go, but you will get to know fairly soon. So don't worry about that. What we will also, the the Indian Embassy also responded saying, look, we are under tremendous pressure. We thought the Prime Minister's visit was over, but now we have the follow-up visit happening on the 25th. So, our focus is on getting these things. So it will take some time. And I think that will be, and I know you said, can we meet with someone who met with the Prime Minister and other things?
Yes.
So we are trying for that as well, including talking to the embassy in Delhi also, the Japanese embassy in Delhi. So that. The other thing is, some of you probably know Anush, who is past chair in Coimbatore and now chairing the entrepreneurship and innovation. He's sort of fairly spent a lot of time in EO. So we've asked him to try and connect with the EO chapter in Japan, so that you can meet young entrepreneurs in Japan.
In fact, I'll just take a minute here. EO is having a retreat in Japan in October from India. So EO is actually hosting the whole Indian EO system in Japan anyway.
Oh, I didn't know this. Okay.
So in fact, even I am not a member, but as you know, Siddharth is.
Yeah.
And I was talking to Siddharth. So he told me that they've been very blunt in a lot of ways, and they are not really very encouraging to them in a lot of ways. So expecting help from EO, I think is
Okay.
not
This is a feedback
working.
I didn't know, but it's good to know.
Yeah, I'm just
Sure.
Yeah.
Anush is someone who's in the EO system, sort of fairly well entrenched. So let's hope if we can get us something, right? And again, it's not a promise. I'm just hoping as well. We've just done that. Unfortunately, it's a sort of common feedback we had when the G20 representatives from Japan, we spoke to them, they don't seem to be
Very keen on hosting us.
nothing.
Yeah.
They don't even react. So there's no emotion. So forget reaction. So
I actually, I wrote to them also, and after a long time I got a response back, and then they said that they can arrange for a small meeting in Osaka, because this person I met, he was from Osaka, but if they are not planning to be in Osaka.
We are
So I
not,
said we need
yeah.
the meeting either in Tokyo or...
Our in is actually Nagoya and out is Tokyo, so we are not going to Osaka at all.
Yeah.
We are actually, but it's for a day trip. It's a Sunday.
Yeah,
So
sure.
So I wrote to him that we need a meeting on this date in Tokyo, so I haven't heard back from him since then.
yeah, so you never know. So, but rest assured, if it's, I think I can sort of safely tell you that on all international missions so far, it's always been that there's been sort of over delivery of activities than the
yeah. No, see, we
reverse.
don't want to be spoon fed, but at least
Yeah, absolutely. I think it'll
So
be
it's
done.
like Rengo, we just got an email. I'll just share it with you. As you can see here, they've actually confirmed the executive vice president and senior managing director, right from 1400 hours to 16:30 till departure, they're going to be with us. And they've given us a little bit of do's and don'ts here. To
Sure,
wear
sure,
flat
sure.
shoes and all that stuff.
No, I think we will get this. I mean, I understand that part of it.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be an issue at all. But that's the sort of formal part of it.
It's very typical of Japanese in any case. They'll give you a lot of do's and don'ts for every such visit. That aside, just to add on to this,
Please.
the concerns over here really on the first part that you have briefed us. Since this is, even though it's a 15-member Hyderabad delegation, we are supposed to be a 25-member delegation. I think we should have people nominated for talking as well. And we should be able to find a way to understand what is it that each person can talk about.
Sure.
So whether it's through Google Hangout or some kind of intercommunication that we create apart from WhatsApp, we should be able to figure out who can, now we know a reasonably diverse group. The other day Archana started a request for finding out who's from which industry, etc. And we find that it's a very, very diverse group. We should be able to create some common factors in this.
Sure.
Figure out what data can be collected by whom and how they can brief each other before we
Absolutely.
bring it up in any forum in Japan.
Correct.
One part of it. The other part of it is since there is no reasonably senior national member on this mission, it becomes a little concerning to me in particular that we may not get the kind of traction we expect from the CII network in setting up the meetings that we actually want. So what our initiatives have got us something till now, and the confirmations that you're saying might come till the last minute also happen primarily with the push of the national team. I saw that even in Pakistan, when we went to Pakistan, the amount of personal effort that Rahul himself had to put in, pushing every corner, along with Shazia and Shiraz, was crazy. And he kept telling me that all through the trip, what all we did, what all I managed to pull out. So I know that none of us can pull that out with CII or any affiliates of CII. And therefore today, now that we're sitting just about 2 weeks away, short of 2 weeks away, I think it's a big concern for us.
Absolutely.
While we might be able to organize some of what we have done as a plan B, the real benefit and advantage out of this kind of a mission can come out of what hopefully CII should be able to organize for us. Maybe beyond just companies, some kind of forum interactions, even if it is not the YEO. In any case, EOs have a snob value attached to it, so I'm not too happy necessarily getting into that forum. On the other hand, Japanese have a very hospitable nature. Once we get into that loop, I'm happier with that. But I'm not really looking for major social interaction in Japan, primarily because forums such as EO have a major ego hassle, ego boosting. I think it appears to me it's part of their program itself. So, which is how we always differentiated YI from
Absolutely.
all of these
You're so
forums.
right. You're so right. And
So-
that's what a lot of people got attracted to YI simply because of that one factor.
So that's our staple from coming from YI forum, and therefore we want a CII to help us reach out to some similar forums. So we have no idea about that. Some amount of our internet search also didn't lead us to understanding any of such forums. But there have to be some reasonable amount of industry forums that should be there in Japan. It's after all a developed a leader. So.
Actually, this club, JCI is quite big there. This person that I was talking to they are part of the JCI. So they have some 30,000 industry members. That is what he was saying.
So, no, Siraj, I think I couldn't agree with you more.
What we are seeking out is if you can help us with two things. I'm just putting my wish list.
Sure, please.
One is primarily, I floated an idea last week in the WhatsApp that we should have a mission statement that will help us define our dialogue in general. Okay, it will help us initiate our conversation with whoever with that mission statement. Which is what we did primarily out of the Pakistan mission, but that was a very different kind of a mission.
Correct.
We cannot take anything away from that for this Japanese mission.
Correct.
That I think should be something that should come from, ideally if you can guide us on that, it would be wonderful. So
Sure.
it will help us initiate every dialogue and communication and express YI and our intentions through that. Okay, a mission statement, one. Second, that big push. I'm sure all of us, and even more someone who gives so much time to YI in the capacity that you are, you'll be extremely pushed for time. But these last 10 days, give us some time
No,
between
absolutely.
you
No,
and
don't worry about
Tulsi,
that.
etc. to get this last push done.
Yeah. No, so I'll respond to both. I think it's valid, so I'm glad you're sort of mentioning that as well. See, some of these elements of the mission are something that where we need to sort of plan things out, right? Which is, for example, the mission statement that you said. The other thing, I think we need to sort of plan this out. You may have already done it because I've sort of not invested myself in this, but if not, which worked, let's say when we went to Sydney was, you have 4 days. Have for each visit or each day what one would call an activity chair.
Okay.
That really helped us in Australia. For every day, it was split into 2 or 3 activities, and you had people from the sort of delegation who were responsible for that. One, that meant that people are taking up responsibilities. And really, it's a flat organization at the end of the day. We're all sort of capable people. It distributes the load. It's not one person who's the sort of usherer or the shepherd all the time. The second thing also was, as Siraj mentioned, for each visit, you need to identify one person who's going to be your lead for that visit. We did that in Australia. We did that for each session in the G20 summit, for every session. So for example, Bhaven, before he went, he knew that day 3's afternoon session was his.
Yeah.
So which meant that he had to prepare for it before.
Which was true for
That day.
Pakistan as well. I was part of that forum
Yes, he
where
was
I was
in
a backup.
Islamabad.
I was the backup for
Yeah.
some of these sessions because I joined in last.
Sure.
Amongst the last few to have joined in, so they quickly added me on as a backup or something, and there I actually landed up the
Once-
first day
yeah.
I had to be talking.
Yeah. So that what happens is people go prepared right
So
now.
we need to be prepared.
Otherwise, it's a sort of nice document. It's nice. Flight में पढ़ेंगे, flight में चढ़ने के बाद अच्छा movie है, then this all becomes one thing.
I'll just
Right?
interrupt you here. On the activities, we've actually already, sort of have good teamwork going.
Sure.
Naman and Ashish there have taken care of our dress codes. We're all going to be dressed in navy blue suits. And we in fact had thought of ties also and, with the YI logo, but unfortunately it didn't work out very well. So we've dropped that idea now. We're just going to wear our own ties and stuff and of course the lapel pins.
You have the via paper things?
I
Yes,
have,
Archana
yes.
has that. And then,
Sorry, just 1 second.
please, go ahead. And that's one, so that's taken care of by Naman and Ashish on the dress code front. And of course, my co-chair Sumit, he's taken care of all the travels and finalizing the hotels and.
No,
all that.
so you would have done all this pre. I'm
Yeah,
saying for
before-
that.
For that also, yeah.
Yeah.
And now we also plan to give souvenirs over there to each
Sure.
company we visit.
Yeah.
And I think we have samples for that also. We'll just take your advice also on what looks best.
You guys can
Ankit.
decide.
Ankit.
Siraj and Jyoti.
Take it later.
Yeah?
Take it later. Souvenirs and I will do it later.
No, since he's talking of activity.
No, I'm saying,
No, for the
see, my
purpose of
focus would be the 4 days that you
I think
have.
you're missing what we were trying to point out.
Yeah.
This lead up. is
No, I
like
get it.
lead
I'm
up
just
activity
giving you the
coordination. is
No, I have no
really
doubts in terms of the preparatory work. Ultimately, whatever you prepared, the performance begins when you land it.
Correct. No, like, I got your point. We identify each lead for each visit there.
Correct.
I got
Which
your point.
then means that, like for example, you know that who is the gentleman who's going to be the first person wishing the senior managing director,
Right.
and therefore introducing the others.
Right.
And see, in each event, what happens is somebody needs to sort of set. There will be a fairly formal. Quickly, the formal thing will get settled.
Yes.
People are going to call you into their boardrooms or a meeting room like this,
Yes.
or the plant, wherever.
Yes.
Somebody has to thank, somebody has to welcome, somebody has to introduce.
And someone has to give the word of thanks.
Yeah. All of that should be done by people
Yeah.
who will therefore have to be identified in advance. Which also means, I'll tell you, awkward moments do come into these trips. I'll tell you why. If you had a very good party on one night, the next day morning you all have to show up,
Yeah.
whether you like it or not.
Yeah.
And you will then be wishing ki अरे ये नहीं होता तो अच्छा रहता, but you can't do anything. You will be there.
Yeah.
But there, after the session, suddenly there will be this 15 minutes when the angels are passing, which is that nobody is wanting to ask a question, right?
That's
The
quite
reason
awkward.
doing
Yeah.
this sort of session chairs is that person's responsibility to ensure that that session is fully engaged, which means question नहीं है तो वो बनाएगा, वो दो लोगों को पकड़ा देगा और बोलेगा कि you have to ask this question if nobody else asks this question.
Fine.
And again, it can't be you can't just ask a random question, right? You do what
It
you
has
do
to be
is
relevant.
you'll sort of study, analyze,
Yeah.
thoda to, and then from what you have read to what he's presented, you sort of connect up and ask a question.
Yes.
Because the only thing that I have realized, sort of having been to a few of these things both at work and through YI, is that you're constantly under scrutiny. And it's not just you that you're under scrutiny. Because
No, it's the
we don't
delegation.
really, I think unless we think too big of ourselves, they don't really care who we are. 10 दिन के बाद तो भूल जाएंगे नाम. ठीक है? Unless one person will be able to connect and that person will.
Yeah.
But for all others, it's this thing that we have this young Indian sort of, delegates who had come, sort of मजा नहीं आया. That's not it. And of course, it will never be there. I'm just sort of telling you what works in terms of getting you session chairs. Even for socials, you do that. I mean, for example, in our dinners, and I'm saying just ours simply because I was there, not for any other reason. Even for dinners, we had people who were responsible, which meant that if you had to go out and figure out कि कहाँ जाना है, somebody has done the homework and will tell you these 3 places. You then take a call.
Okay.
But then ultimately, that person decides कि जाएंगे कि नहीं जाएंगे.
Right.
It's just a fairly simple, because once you're out there, you're sort of, it's like the timer has started. You're
Which
sort
is
of
why
going.
one of the key aspects of YI works very well of a flat nature.
Absolutely.
Okay, this defines that working. Anyone can be a chair,
Absolutely.
occupy that position, giving that time or not that time, but when it works as a flat working, and therefore everyone has to take responsibility. And
Each one.
and
Absolutely.
everyone
We make
else
sure
has to
everybody
be
talks. Yeah.
has to be working alongside that person.
Absolutely. I think that makes a huge difference. Do that and go with some facts. The gifts that you select, the mementos, you could do both in terms of actual gifts. My recommendation also is each one of you carry 1 or 2 books
Yeah.
that you think are good about India.
Absolutely.
Okay. Which is not just India-centric books. It could be even a book by an Indian author who's, it could be an R.K. Narayan's book.
Yeah.
I mean, the language is English. Everybody reads the language. At least the people who you're meeting.
Yeah.
I have sort of experienced that nothing like leaving back a good book to read with someone.
And it can have all our signatures in it.
Why not?
We become
I mean, it really
celebrities.
makes a huge difference when you sort of put in some of these things. It makes a huge difference books especially, I found are a very personal thing because it invariably goes to your personal collection. Either in your office or at home, people collect books. And so they-
Then in fact, Siraj and Jyoti are responsible for the souvenirs. So
Jyoti is responsible. I am just.
सिराज ऑलवेज लव्स द बैकअप वो जो इवेंट में जो बात किया था उसमें भी बैकअप करके बहुत बड़ा लड़ाई इसने ही किया सबसे बड़ा लड़ाई मतलब लाइक ना नीरव के ऑफिस में ना नीरव वाज ट्राइंग टू कंट्रोल हिम कि हमारा ही ऑफिस तोड़फोड़ होगा सो just on the lighter note but I think it's you do take one as books. The other thing that I think you will really people will love as sort of mementos are anything to do with crafts which are localized. Okay, so it could be anything.
Since this topic is here, let's quickly cover what Jyoti has done till now. A Jaipur plate, Bidri, more topic centric rather than.
Just the
வைக்கப்பட்டுள்ளது. தயவு செய்து காத்திருக்கவும். Your call has been put on hold. Please stay online.
we
So
can.
do that. I think I'm just saying you don't need to spend time. I'm just saying there is an element of story that needs to be there. You're traveling international. I would say don't carry too much
glass.
stuff.
The
Yeah.
glass actually.
That's what even we have.
That's
Yeah.
what we wanted.
I would suggest don't
See,
carry.
we were
Same,
thinking
same.
of doing something smaller like this, not this big,
Yeah.
something small.
You know, I have a Bidri vendor who does things for ISBN. I can give you
Boss.
this thing.
This Bidri
I handed him over to you.
Correct. So you only he knows too much about me, so that's the problem.
This is very big.
Yeah, same guy, same guy.
Yeah. But we're talking about the smaller.
I introduced Jyoti to him already. Don't
I mean, this ever since Siraj gave, so I have to remember that. I don't remember that. We give those gifts to everyone.
Yeah,
I mean,
and-
we have heads of state who have come here. They all get these Bidri gifts.
So I think personally even we like.
And you know what we do? The difference we do is this, which he normally doesn't. We put a paper here.
No, he
Yeah,
does
he
that.
is going to do that.
Standardized.
Some facts.
So what we're looking at is a smaller piece in this, a box and this.
Yeah.
See, because we have
You
a
don't
decent.
give one gift. Huh? I'll tell you what. You don't to the same person give only one gift. You should never give more because it's not a gift; it's a memento. And
Right.
memento derives from memory. So you should
Correct.
remember ki so and so had come and therefore I got something.
So what
But
we
you
can
carry
do
2,
is-
3 to one visit because it's never one person who's the reason for this whole
That's
thing.
what I
Like in this particular thing
Yeah.
itself, there are 2 people.
And
But
then
you will
we can
discover
manage
that
it.
there is a guy who's taking on the shop floor,
Coordinating
who's
things.
probably the guy who's the best person for you to connect in that
Yeah.
trip,
Right.
right?
अपने यहाँ पे चार.
बाद में you will meet the CEO for like 15 minutes,
Right.
but your association, the stories about that plant and sort of interesting anecdotes is coming from that
Basically, how it works is the big one
We'll
is
go
for
to
the top
CEO.
man, but it's for the photo op. Okay, you hold it, it's a
You
photo
are
op.
so obsessed with the
Okay,
photo all
it's
the
a
time.
photo op. Then after that, someone who's really done the hard work in putting all this together, he has to be thanked. That is one. Then there'll be one deputy who will tag along with the number one.
So the
अब
team
we have to
goes
be
to
with
person. 2
that.
मिनट पहले सिराज बोल रहा था कि
It
बहुत
was his
फ्लैट
idea.
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अभी तो ऐसा सीधा ऐसा सीडी
No,
पूरा
actually,
सीडी में
it
गोल्ड
was-
रहेगा इधर सिल्वर
His idea was to make a hamper. So that's why it got called.
And
So that we can break
Now
it
you
up
know what
then.
is working with Siraj like, right?
Jyoti,
T20 thing in Australia was Twitter.
Okay.
I'm not kidding. The amount of mileage people were able to get for India, for the G20, for everything was Twitter. Right? You have to get on Twitter, and Twitter is not easy to understand unlike Facebook. Facebook is very simple. You post anything, the more sort of common it is, you'll get more likes. Like, you know,
Praveen,
Anna
you can
puts-
take over.
what you see.
For the handle.
For the
He's
Twitter?
probably the best fellow.
Ah, Praveen is on Twitter.
Yeah.
But no, this is about every one of you.
Yeah.
It's not about Praveen alone. It's about everyone. Siraj, it also means you. That means you have to tweet. You can't say Jyoti, now you tweet.
Otherwise, take my phone and do it for
हाँ,
me,
वो नहीं
please.
होगा. ठीक है. You have to tweet. You have to create a buzz right now. Figure out, bombard some people in Japan about the fact that you're going. These companies will have Twitter accounts. Tweet to them ahead saying, we are so looking forward to coming, we are visiting you, we are a group of young Indians. YI tweets ko tag karo so that Ankit Mittal, who's the sort of marketing thing from YI, he will retweet, it will have a larger thing. Every day you should tell the story so that people who are not part of the mission should actually feel that they were experiencing it.
Yeah.
it's very critical. Social media is important. Do it on Facebook as well. I think all of you will take to Facebook more naturally. But remember, Facebook is also limited. It's my friends. Twitter is global. There's no such restrictions of my friends. You need to tweet. Tweet to the Prime Minister of Japan.
Yeah, in fact, I am doing that.
You must. You must tweet to the Prime Minister of Japan. You never know who, where, what you will respond.
Prime Minister, the PMO whom I am tweeting.
Tag us as well
It's
then.
always the case. But the point is,
listening but may not be responding.
yeah. I mean, we tweeted to Narendra Modi from Sydney. Of course, Narendra Modi didn't respond, but who cares? So many others saw that we tweeted to Prime Minister, right? So that's what is
The
important.
good thing is, Ankit is pretty shameless in doing that. He just goes
This
about
is how
it.
Siraj is now. I'm going to tell you.
Yeah,
it's going to
he's
be
shooting on my shoulder.
All my grievances go on Twitter. Twitter is my personal consumer forum.
I didn't get it.
Like how consumer court works, right?
Oh, she-
Oh,
she's a
Twitter
lawyer, you
is
don't
my
know.
No, I know
personal.
that she's a lawyer. That's right. Personal something. I'm sort of little worried. So.
It's a grievance set.
Which is good. Twitter is meant to be that. There's only two sets of people who are there. Those who want to curse people, those who want to have a cause. These are the two people who are most active on Twitter. So if you are a Salman Khan, you will have hundreds of people who will curse you or whatever. Or if you have a cause, you want to save Gaza, you will tweet like mad. There's thousands of things. Do that. The one sort of thing, and that brought me to the last thing that I want to share, is that at these things, you will find very diverse people. Okay? People who have very rigid opinions. Don't ever, no matter how sort of attractive it is, don't get into an argument. Okay? People have opinions about our country, about another country. But, we are not here to say, sort of change the world and their thought process, right? So don't get into an argument. If it's your subject domain, if it's your expertise, do put forth your points based on data, right? Tell them very strongly that this is what we believe in. And because I know, because I am into this business, packaging, you can reel out data.
Yes.
But don't sort of...
No, we won't.
I'm just saying,
We won't
it's very
engage
easy to
you
get
on
into
the point.
arguments.
Yeah, we won't engage you on the point.
Yeah. Hi Shashank.
Hi.
Good. Guys, everyone meet Shashank Agarwal. Hi Shashank.
Hi, Siraj.
Hi, Siraj. Thanks for the card.
This is what I wanted to sort of basically... Are you guys on the call able to hear us or is it sort of...
So guys, people on the phone,
No, I
Can
cannot
you hear us?
Maybe we'll
Yeah, we
disconnect it.
Oh, okay.
Sandeep is the one.
Okay, so basically, sort of, it's not like I need to sort of talk much. It's fairly well established. Before you go, we will sort of connect up again, via phone or whatever. But do get into this. The more you go planned, the better is your 4-day experience there. So do that. I think that's my only sort of advice, if at all anything.
Would you suggest, like in the Pakistan trip, Ankit,
Yeah.
there were at least 4 or 5 calls before we left?
Yes.
And it clarified and reaffirmed a few things
Yeah.
repeatedly. I think that should
Sure.
happen.
I think we should do a call separately after this, maybe 2-3 days later, whenever. And Shashank, whenever you want to sort of have this with a little more clarity on the program. Let's have 1 or 2 calls so that a lot of people are not able to come onto the call. Plus, I know even from Hyderabad, not everybody is here.
Yeah.
But let's get into that.
That.
We can do that. I think that's a good idea. Ashna, I don't need this. I have a copy.
Yeah.
But we can give it to someone else. But and anything else that you want? Sort of any quick questions that you may
I
have?
just wanted to convey one thing, the same thing what maybe it's my personal view or maybe others, that see we got only, we are planning a trip for a 4-day mission, at least 4-day mission, and we have only 3 confirmations.
Sure.
Because we are all leaving our own businesses and traveling all the way to Japan to learn something or on a mission, but we don't want things to be compromised that, okay, maybe if this is not working out.
No, absolutely not.
I just wanted to make sure that, you know,
Absolutely.
something
No,
like
I
this
don't
is
think,
something that will
no,
happen.
I hear what you're saying, but I don't think the intent is ever to sort of have a sort of second order.
It's not- yeah.
No, I mean, I say that we are all sort of on the same page. The effort is to make sure that you have a good experience in Japan. So that you come back and you shouldn't come back and say कि 5 दिन का कोई ऐसा कोई मतलब, you know, I didn't sort of enjoy it so much. I don't think that's the thing. So that will happen. Shashank, we'll talk about it later on. But you know, with Jacob and this thing, I spoke to Teja also this morning.
So you got one more confirmation. So
Yeah.
one slot left now.
So we'll figure out more things, whatever that needs to be done. But you do spend time. But rest assured that you will enjoy your trip. But also a lot of it is also about sometimes be you know, more sort of open while you're there also. You know, a lot of times you will pick up things there, and you have to be a little more sporadic in terms of what one would call opportunity grabbing, right? In a positive way. Right? You need to sort of keep your eyes and ears open. You never know what else is happening there. One of the things that we are trying to do, which we will almost certainly get it for you, is a meeting with the Indian ambassador in Japan as well. So that is something that in some form or the other, even for us when we were with all our sort of thing, the lunch, and finally the way it happened was the lunch was very well organized. The Indian consulate.
Ironically, in the Pakistan trip, we met a lot of Pakistani